Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make another soup. Today I'm making an eggplant soup. As you can see here, I have 3 eggplants. These are locally grown. I got them from a local farmer, straight from his garden, right? I got 3 of them. As you can see, they're not looking like regular dark color. These are how they look. I've seen here when they're grown locally, this is how they look. Okay, so I have what I'm going to put with the eggplant, just simple seasoning. I have some parsley here, some sage that I picked from my garden. I'm so proud to say that. This is some cilantro, culantro, or known as shadow benny, a small piece of pepper, hot pepper, a small piece, about 4 garlic cloves. I think from my experience, garlic really flavors the eggplant. And I have 1 small onion, so I'm going to cut up the eggplant and put everything in the pot that I cook. So I'll be back. Okay, so here's the eggplant. I cut it up with the skin on, with like in big chunks like. So I'm just going to simply add the other ingredients: the onion, the garlic, the hot piece of pepper, parsley, the sage, and the shadow benny. There's a piece of pepper there. Just everything in there. I'm going to add a Maggi cube. I'm just going to break up that into there. This is onion and garlic seasoning. Add 2 cups of water. Of course, you could add whatever seasoning that you like salt, pepper, whatever season that you like. I think I might need another cup of water. I'll just add 1 more cup of water. I'm going to put this on the stove and let this cook. Okay, so here's my soup coming along nicely. This is about 20 minutes of all the ingredients boiling up, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to use my hand blender and blend this up. Okay, so here we go. This hand blender thing is really cool. I think I have it. I'm going to list it in my Amazon shop, so you can check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below, so you can get one. It's made by Black & Decker. It's really cool. I don't really have to bother to put it in my blender from one utensil to another, wash out another utensil. So it's really cool. So I'm going to finish this now. Make sure it's tasting. I might put a little extra water, and maybe you could put like maybe carrots or pumpkin to give it a little extra color. Yes, but I'm just doing it basic. Look how nice and creamy that is. Oh yeah. Okay folks, I did a nice little presentation with the eggplant soup. I'm gonna have it with some dumplings and some smoked curry that I prepared on the side. If you enjoyed my last recipe with the green fig soup, I think you'll enjoy this one too as well. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.